In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to swap coins using the Phantom wallet. Whether you're new to cryptocurrency or just need a clearer understanding of the process, I've got you covered with a step-by-step guide to help you through. Let's start by opening up your Phantom wallet. Make sure that you're logged into your account so that all your transactions and balances are visible and secure. Once you're logged in, take a glance at your homepage where you'll see your current balance. This is important because it indicates how much Solana or SOL you currently have in your account. Before you can swap coins, you need to ensure that you have enough SALA in your balance. If you need to buy more Solana, there's a straightforward way to do that. Simply click on the option that says Buy SOL with Cash. This feature allows you to conveniently purchase Solana directly through the wallet interface. You'll then be prompted to select or enter the amount of Solana you wish to purchase. The flexibility here is great as you can use various payment methods. You can opt for Apple Pay, a debit or credit card, or even Google Pay. Select your preferred option, click Buy, and you're all set. Just like that, the Solana will be added to your account balance. Now that you have the necessary SOL available, it's time to move on to the swapping process. Start by clicking on the Swap option. This is where you'll enter the amount of Solana you want to exchange for another cryptocurrency. You'll see an option labeled Receive. Click here and you'll be able to select which coins you want to receive in exchange. This feature will also provide you a list of providers and the current exchange rates or prices, ensuring you're making informed decisions with each transaction. Once you've chosen the amount of Solana to swap and selected your preferred receiving coins, click on Review Order. This gives you a minute to double-check all the details of your transaction. If everything looks correct, go ahead and click Swap. After a few moments, your transaction will be processed. Once completed, you can view the coins you swapped directly on your dashboard. This seamless integration allows you to keep track of all your cryptocurrency holdings effortlessly within the Phantom wallet interface. And there you have it. That's how you can swap coins on the Phantom wallet. I hope you found that this guide helpful and that you feel more knowledgeable about handling your cryptocurrency transactions. As always, make sure to keep your account information secure and happy trading.